Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a design and photo editing on PicsArt easily. Open the PicsArt, select a photo, remove the background color, adjust the photo, change the color of photo, select another shape, adjust the shape, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.